Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to link your Shopify store with your Printify store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to go to the Shopify App Store so we can connect our Printify store with our Shopify store. So simply either you can go to apps from here and click on apps in sales channel settings, or the recommended app, for example. And basically, I'm just going to click here and go to Shopify App Store, and then we will search for Printify. So from here, I'm just going to click on Printify and click on this application. And as you can see, it is the Printify developers, which means it's an authentic application. We need just to click on install from here, and then it will take us to our uh, Printify. So now we can just click on install, and then we will start the process of connecting our account with our Shopify and Printify. So as you can see, this is the Printify login page. I can just log in to my account. I'm going to log in, and then we will wait for the connection to happen. And as you can see, now we've been able to connect our store with Printify and Shopify. So basically, this is how you can do it. And simply now you can start connecting between them and start doing orders. So as you can see, you can just go from online store and start doing any researches or any operations. And from there, you can go to your Printify or print on demand, and you can start uh, your operations by selling and buying, etc. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.